let's make the changes. These are the designs. I will add some further designs to explore the changes there again. Make an addition. So here is the further design we will use there. Add another paint as well. That's the paint here. Keep using further design.